Gibson, thank you, Gibson. How Philippines workers before? How many Philippines workers before? I don't know. I can't work restaurant. My work before is a sales lady from Gaizano Mall. My God, I'm busy. Thank you so much, Jan Gibson, for trying hard. And Mark, Kurt, also wait. Thank you, Ligma, to join the live. It seems you got a lot of la love today. Yes, I don't know why. I'm not pretty also. And not good body also. Thanks, Mark. You were also. Last time you kidding on my dance. I think she was not you. I can't write English. That time, I think she was not you. I can't write English. Oh, it's okay, Ken Master. I'm not joking. I would love to marry you. Wow. Mm. Not sleep. John Gibson, yes, Blue get you busy here. My profession is hotel manager. I want a caretaker from Philippines. Wow, it's good for you, Charlie. Then so many Filipino here is uh get good a good job. No, I don't have husband. Don't speak your body down. You are perfect. Oh my goodness, thank you. Hello. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful girl. You might get 300 likes. Thank you. This is my life is so very more likes and more subscribe to me. Yes, I pay good money, but it is difficult to hire from Philippines now. So many formalities. Oh, so many Philippines sir is good to work. Charlie's 300 is the minimum one. You are very beautiful and kind, respectful woman, loving smile. Would you marry me and fly you out to me in Europe? Oh my goodness. Thank you, Joshua Bradley. You're kind to Joshua Bradley. I like and subscribe everyone. Oh, thank you, thank you. I will come myself and choose one next year. Wow. You choose wisely, Charlies. Where are you? Hi, Carter. You're a legend. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Mark, you're in Australia or in UK? Hi, mommy. Oh, I am mommy. Why you're? I'm not mommy. Oh, thank you, Panday. Panday. My name is Labib. Hello to Labib.